This melts the fat at the speed of light. 4 ingredients that remove 8 centimeters at your waist in just 1 week. When it comes to losing weight, there are different means and techniques. Each one is adjusted to the possibilities and tastes of each. If you are one of those people who like to drink tea, read on. This infusion will revolutionize your body. Only 4 suitably selected ingredients will be needed to make a reducing pump. Green tea, cinnamon and bay leaf, combined will make a true work of art with your body, helping you reduce waist inches in a few days, thanks to its properties that promote the burning of fats and accelerate the metabolism. Green tea, cinnamon, cumin and laurel to lose weight. Instructions. 1. Put 3/4 liter of water in a container to heat and remove from the fire when it reaches the boiling point. Then add a tablespoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of green tea, 10 grams of cumin and a handful of a few bay leaves. 2. Leave all ingredients in the water for 20 minutes for them to release their properties. After that time, drain the water and store it in a container with lid, airtight. Mode of consumption. 1. This fantastic tea is recommended to drink it on an empty stomach, when rising on an empty stomach. You can repeat another infusion after breakfast and before lunch, and a third instead of snack or before bed. 2. In this way, you can drink 3 cups in total per day, and it is advised to consume them for 1 week continuously. 3. If you are constant, you will see results in just 5 to 7 days. Remember to eat a balanced diet rich in vegetables and fruits, avoiding processed foods, excess carbohydrates, fats and fried foods, and do not forget to exercise. Tea will do your job, but you should also do your part. Contraindications. It is not recommended for pregnant women or nursing mothers. I ask